Give it a lovely start. Make that fry for just about 2 to 3 seconds. Looking lovely and nice. 2 to 3 seconds. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Basically today, every time I keep doing corned beef, and I always say to myself, I never did corned beef and serve it with some rice and peas. You know what I mean? I always do corned beef and it go with plain rice. So today, you know what I mean, I said to myself, I must do some corned beef and serve it with some rice and peas. So guys, and I'm going to show you how you can do this at home. Basically, all you need is a can of corned beef right here. That's a can which you can get corned beef at any local shop, supermarket, or anywhere, high street, anywhere you can get corned beef. Second thing, I got this is some tomato, a medium-sized tomato, some white onion, piece of a fresh thyme, and also some spring onion and some mixed pepper, some sweet corn. But what I'm gonna simply say to you, this is very important. On the corned beef, if you notice, there is some fat which need to be removed. So all you need to do, simply use a knife and just remove it just like this. Just simply use a very small knife and remove the fat, because to be honest, the fat is not good for you. So I always preach this in my video. Do not use the fat and the corned beef, guys. Please just simply remove it like this, as I notice what I'm doing right here. So as you can see, I'll just simply remove all the fat off the corned beef, because the reason why the fat is not good for you. Most people eat corned beef with the fat. I don't, because that will just rest on you and turn that into lump. So anyway, now we're going to show you how to fry off your corned beef with the onion, veg, spring onion, and add some sweet corn. Hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, and we're going to serve that with some rice and peas. Enjoy it. So I've got a medium-sized frying pan right here. That's where I'm going to use to fry my stuff in. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop some either vegetable oil or olive oil. Whatever oil you like to use, coconut oil, whatever oil. Just like this. 2 teaspoons of oil. Nice and lovely. And as you can see, probably pretty little bit hot because I have a medium-sized heat at the moment. All your veg. Give it a lovely start. And make that fry for about 2 to 3 seconds. Looking lovely and nice. 2 to 3 seconds. Nice and lovely, as you can see. Really lovely. And now we're going to pop in that lovely corned beef. As you can see, I want to simply say to you, some people with their corned beef, what they normally do is simple. Probably cook it off in the microwave for about 2 seconds, but you don't need to. You can just simply break it off like this. Just break it up like this. Alright? And then simple, add that lovely sweet corn. Just like this. And I'm using some frozen sweet corn. You will love this, guys, I'm telling you. Really nice. Little bit of coarse pepper. Also, you can also add a little pinch of seasoning if you like. If it's up to you, I got some everyday season, just a little pinch of everyday season. That give it a nice flavor. And also lovely teaspoon of paprika. That's not too much. Pinch of hot pepper sauce. A pinch of sweet chili sauce. And also, last thing which we want to add to it, some ketchup. All of these extra stuff which I'm adding to it, you don't need to add it, guys. You can simply fry up your corned beef the way you want to fry it up, just as normal. With Chef Ricardo cooking is a little bit different. A little bit of twisting inside of it. Alright? Alright. Then basically, simply cover it and leave it for roughly 5 to 6 minutes. Alright? So, as you can see, roughly about 5 to 6 minutes now. Then look at that. Corned beef mash away inside of it. Alright? And the reason why I put so much veg inside of mine, because veg is good for you. Veg is healthy, and veg is one of the key things when you're cooking food like this. Alright? So as you can see, a lot of sweet corn and a lot of tomato, peppers and bits and pieces inside of it. Really lovely and nice. Cooking down lovely too. So as you can see, that is fantastic, guys. Really lovely. So I'll give this another 2 to 3 more minutes. Nice and lovely. Look at that. Yes. So now this is finished. I'm gonna share it out now. Look at that. So that looking lovely and nice. Yes. This is exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with Jamaican corned beef, but I twist it in a different way. So if you want to follow Chef Ricardo, do your thing. Now I'll turn off and I'll share it out, alright? Lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So right here, as you can see, I just started to share out the corned beef. Looking lovely and nice. So hopefully guys will like the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. So as you can see, avocado right here, corned beef, rice and peas, broccoli and some veg. Looking lovely and fantastic. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We've got a lot more recipe like this coming out. Corned beef served with rice and peas with avocado at the side and veg. Enjoy. See you next time. Bye bye.